What's up to my bassinators out there? Hope you're all doing well. So yeah, today my fishing partner and I, Jean de Toy, are fishing the first leg of the FLW CAST4CASH at rusties. And so far this morning, as soon as we got to our spots, we started catching fish. Not the keepers we want, but at least we got bagged almost straight away, and now we're just hunting them down. So hopefully we get the good fish and yeah, and get a good position today. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, keep on watching, and hope you guys enjoy this one.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all.
Oh, fish on. Small, no, it's fine, it's small. What's up, Edge? What's up, buddy?
Really? Oh my god! That is huge. I'll jump in after it. Yes. Come on, John. Buddy. Come on. Bring it quickly. Yes! Yes! Oh, there you go. Well, it's small. And it's off. Small. And I saw one jump here as well. That was right in those shallows, bro. Fish on. Big one. Looks decent. Yeah. Where is it? So it's upgrade
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head.
So guys, that was the end of our day. We managed to get a second place at the rusties comp, so that was awesome. And we had a good day. We caught quite a lot of fish. John caught a lot more fish, and he caught on John.
Well, GP special ittys secret baits. It's what worked wonders. We switched to Gary Yamamoto's 5-inch. And yeah, all weightless, long cast, and that did the trick for us today. And yeah, that was an awesome day.
Yeah, the wind was tough. I couldn't get that bite on the wind. He figured it out, and he was getting the fish, even though it was crazy wind. So that's off to him. He got us as the second place. But we also would like to say thank you to our sponsors, Timols Tackle Shop, for sponsoring everything for us, and then ittys Secret Baits, which are catching us a lot of fish. So thanks to them, and then obviously Transvaal Training. That fish finder they got us has helped a lot. So thanks to all our sponsors. Hope you guys enjoyed that video, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.